You will be amazed by this 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, dual zone AC. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.